Hi guys, today we're just going to do a little bit of an unboxing on a CarryLamp. This is the coolest little LED portable lamp that I've ever purchased. So let's unbox it together. This is the box that it comes in. This also has a little bit of a manual on here on how to use your light, the 4 styles, how to open it, and all the little highlights, etc. In your box, you'll get a USB charging cable. This can just be plugged into any of your USB ports, which is really handy, and it just plugs straight in. On the back of your CarryLamp, you have a little charging port. All you need to do is just plug it into there. There will be a blue light that shows. This just indicates when it is charging, and then once it turns off, this means that your light is ready for use. CarryLamp is also controlled by touch, so all you need to do is tap the back of the lamp 3 times and choose the level of brightness that you wish to have. To open, all you need to do is twist in opposite directions, pull, and it should open into a cool little lantern. This also means that the touch is now on top, which is really handy at night time if you can't see properly. And then just to close it is exactly the same as opening, just reversed. So there you have it, guys. Go and get yourself one.